In calculating for the mean deviation, the first step is to calculate the mean. Equal to, we're going to get the sum of all the data, 12 plus 18 plus 15 plus 22 plus 28 divided by the number of data. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, the sum is 95 divided by 5. So, the mean is equal to 19. Second step, we're going to draw a table. Okay? So, sa first column, x. Then sa pangalawang column, that is x minus mean. Pangatlo is absolute value of x minus mean. Okay? Then, punan natin yung mga column natin. We have 12, 18, 15, 22, and 28. Sa pangalawang column, x minus mean. So, 12 minus our mean is 19. So, 12 minus 19 is equal to negative 7. Then, 18 minus 19 is equal to negative 1. 15 minus 19 is negative 4. 22 minus 19 is positive 3. Then, 28 minus 19 is equal to 9. Okay? Then, sa pangatlong column, kunin natin yung absolute value nung x minus mean. So, absolute value of negative 7 is positive 7. Absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1. Negative 4 is positive 4. 3 is 3. Then, 9 is 9. Okay, next we'll get the summation of the absolute value of x minus mean. Okay? So, 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9 is equal to 24. So, meron na tayong summation ng absolute value ng x minus mean. Ang susunod, we're now going to solve for the mean deviation. So, MD is equal to, the formula for mean deviation is the summation of the absolute value of x minus mean divided by n. Okay? N is the number of data. So, substitute lang natin. The summation of the absolute value of x minus mean is 24 divided by the number of data. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then, divide natin. MD is equal to 24 divided by 5 is equal to 4.8. Gets?